we have to pick an engine, and you guys are going to help us figure out which one. Okay, so here we have a 258 Jeep engine that came with the car. And over here we have a engine from a Nissan 350Z, and we have a K-swap Honda engine.
So all these could possibly be options for the Gremlin, but we have more, yet more, and there's more. So this is the one he got with buying the car, and it comes with a bell housing for a manual transmission. We have a transmission that goes with the 350Z engine if you want. That's a manual, or we have an auto. That'd be too hard. And then we do have a K-Series Honda engine that could be interesting to be in a Gremlin, but we'll see.
What? So, to my left, we have a V3 GMC LS that needs a new cam and heads, and right here is a I know the name. The 302 from a Mustang, which we do have heads and all the parts to rebuild it.
So I found some GT40 heads with the factory crane cam setup, which is pretty cool. So we've had those for a while. We have a full gasket kit for this. 3rd gen LS from a truck, 2011, that needs a camshaft and lifters, and just to rebuild to seal it back up. This one has about 150,000 miles on it. So 2 more engines inside the garage that need refreshed or built. We have many more to come. Let's go outside and see what we got. So options, this is the best option for me, more viable option, because we have everything. We just need a Ford transmission, automatic transmission or something to go with it. Out here in the boneyard. So we do have a friend's AMC Concord that needs a transmission. Maybe we can buy it off him and put the straight 6 out of it. We have the Dodge Power Wagon. I think it's a 78 Power Wagon. Let's see if we can get some parts out of it, maybe. Man, these are pokies right here, bro.
Oh, pokies. They're giant pokies.
These are giant pokies. Oh my goodness. You guys let us get carried away out here. We got this van, it's Ram 350. It actually has a 360 with a 3-speed auto and overdrive from the late 80s. That has stuff. We have this one, which is a 318 3-speed from the 78. Any loss in this one?
No, I checked yesterday.
Okay, that's good. So this was running, they said. And I have a carburetor now for it. So it's all there. And it has all the wiring and little things I think we need. We could probably get to run again. Even has a radiator that might fit in the front. That's old. So here's an option. It's kind of cool. This used to be an old forest truck. It's either off-green. So it used to be a Forest Service truck back in the day. And then we actually have a 440 in the big block in the back of this truck. That was going to be for this truck, but we're just going to sell axles since they're Dana 60 setups with the divorce transfer case, and we might just keep the engine and transfer us. I don't know. There's an option. So we'll see. Okay, so there's a whole bunch of engine choices. We got LS's, 302s, VQs, Hondas, AMCs or Jeeps. We got Dodges, 318, a 360, or a 440. All kinds of options. We're engine heavy.
But since I'm paying it for it all, we have a certain budget. So, which one would you think would be the best beginner or learner in the Gremlin? So, leave a comment below on which one you think would be the best. And if you have an AMC V8 with a transmission, please let us know.
So there's a lot of options. Let me know what you want to do. I have parts and pieces for a lot of these, but other stuff he's going to have to buy. Like I said, the most feasible I think is the 302 because I have a full rebuilt kit already for it. The only thing we're missing would be like a carbureted intake manifold because it was fuel injected, and we would have to buy the Holley EFI or Tech or whatever, those Fuel Tech top system fuel injection carburetors for it, so it can be fuel injected, it can self-learn, it can run, it can start when it needs to, get better gas mileage. So that's kind of what I'm leaning towards. I don't really like, there's some of the Ford stuff's not the best. This is old 5.0 HO stuff with some added parts would give it enough power and have fun. I don't really like Ford transmissions, but it's what it is. And so we are on the lookout for transmissions to mate with these and parts to fix. And like I said, if you have the hookup on an AMC V8 and transmission combo that we can get and put it in here, that would be awesome. We just, where we're at, there's nothing here. We can't find any of those parts locally. So let us know.
Like and subscribe because we're building an engine for the Gremlin.